Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to give you some updates on the ET-8550 DTF conversion. I know people selling the CS make you believe you can just buy CS, plug it in, and it's going to work. Yeah, okay. So we do three parts. One is we have to rewrite the electronic board. There are lots of difference between a printer and a regular printer. For example, how you feed a film and how the page width is detected and how you manage the ink circulation and maintenance. Secondly, you're going to do physical modification of the printer, and you're going to move the scanner down. Here's the before and after. So there's lots of things to hold and secure and lots of cable to be routed. So this is the bracket. Thirdly, you're going to have CS, but the CS only maintain your white ink to the damper, but it doesn't maintain your printhead. So you need a system not only maintain the damper, it also maintain the printhead. If we go to bchtechnology.com and go to direct to film and go to ET-8550 conversion, if you want to buy parts, you can see we have system 1 electronic and brackets and the ink system, or you just want to buy everything together. There's a 3-in-1 combo. Also, down here, you can let us convert it, send your printer in, or you can buy a already converted printer. After that is documents and individual replacement parts. Today, I'm going to focus on number 2, brackets. I have a video I'll put in the comments that show you how to set up and configure the CS. And I mentioned the CS have 2 outlets for the white, and those are thicker ones, and then has KCMY 4 colors. Waste tube, here the waste tube come in. The waste tube dump into this waste bottle. And then this is the maintenance tank. It has a maintenance fluid goes into the printer. 2 wires, mixer, and the pump. They go to electronic board C. Here's how you install the board holder. There are 2 screws on the original Epson, and you take off those 2 screws. You're going to have lots of screws left over from taking off the printer, so you'll never need more screws. You're going to find the 2 holes on board C, and then you're going to secure the board C on the holder. Then put the 2 screws back and tuck the cable in. The drag chain has a tank holder, which can hold 2 dampers. The way you insert damper is tube down, and it will secure itself on there. For the tube holder, you're going to see one side doesn't have a hole, another side has holes, and you just put that tab in, and you're going to see there's space in the middle that corresponds to where you wanted the tube go through. And after that, you just put 4 screws on there. Now we need to secure the front panel. Take this gadget out, and you're going to see a cross. It's not a full cross, it's like half cross, like this. It goes down here. So the cross point down, and the other side, you're going to secure it with a screw right here, if you look in the back. Now you have this weird thingy on the left. So see that square box, and point to your left and point up. So it's holding your front panel from underneath, and the other screw you put on the top. Once you install the front panel, you're going to see on the other side there's another screw hole. That's for secure board B. For the mainboard holder, you're going to see 2 holes. Those for the media board and the Wi-Fi board. The long cable from board A to board B can be hid here, so your PF disk will not smash it every time you print something. And there's a hole here. You can put a screw there to secure the mainboard, but I suggest get a wire that you tie the grocery bag. You don't want to look for a screwdriver every time you take off the mainboard. Alright, that's an updated version of the brackets we have now, and we're going to keep developing. There will be continued improvement. For example, right now, the whole kit, including the drag chain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers!